is also the highest income taxpayer in the private sector in India and paid 7,826 crores as income tax during the year. Petrochemicals. Dear share owners, petrochemicals is one of the core growth engines of Reliance. Our business today consists of polyesters, fiber intermediates, polymers, synthetic rubbers, and a variety of chemicals and solvents. This diversified portfolio is integrated with our refinery and has delivered the best margins globally for over 2 decades. This segment achieved a record EBIT of rupees 10,221 crores, representing a 23% growth year on year, and in turn delivering one of the best performances in the global petrochemical industry. We are now investing to nearly double this capacity of this business. We are building amongst the world's largest and most integrated ethylene cracker in Jamnagar that will use off gases from the refinery as a feedstock with a capacity in excess of 1.5 million tons a year. This unique configuration is possible only due to the scale and complexity of our refinery. It is a matter of great pride for all of us at Reliance that we can execute a project of this scale at about half the capital cost of similar crackers being built in North America. This cracker is being built at Jamnagar, which is today the busiest industrial site in the world, with over 120,000 people engaged in project execution. We have made substantial progress in this project and are targeting it to be mechanically complete by December of this year. Our cracker portfolio is currently dependent on domestic sources of feedstock, including from our refinery. The portfolio needs dedicated long-term supply of feedstock for sustained competitiveness. Reliance is now investing for ethane, as ethane is the feedstock for 65% of cracker capacity in North America. We are the first company globally to conceptualize large-scale imports of ethane from the US as a feedstock for our cracker portfolio. This project involves dedicated ships, pipelines, loading terminals at both the US and at Dahej. The ships are expected to be delivered over the next 2 quarters, and the project will be ready by the end of this financial year. This innovation will provide us competitive feedstock and flexibility for the long term. We are global leaders in the polyester chain. We are making investments to meet the ever-growing demand for the nation's clothing, lifestyle products, and water usage, as PET is the polymer that is used in your water bottles. Last year, we commissioned 650,000 tons of a new PET plant, a state-of-the-art 2.3 million tons PTA plant at Dahej. These plants are operating at nameplate capacity and serving both domestic and export markets. We are expanding our polyester presence in executing one of the largest paraxylene plants in the world at Jamnagar. The new paraxylene plant, which you can see, is mechanically complete, and pre-commissioning activities have commenced, with production slated to begin in the next few weeks. We are also the largest domestic producer of synthetic rubber. Our PBR plant and our SBR plants are now operational. These investments will position Reliance among the top 10 petrochemical players globally, with a portfolio of products that continue to meet the growing demands of India. The petrochemical business will have a unique earnings model based on integration, top decile cost positions, and annuity earning stream. Petroleum refining. Dear share owners, let me now turn to petroleum refining business. The refining business continues to be a significant value driver for Reliance, accounting for 60% of its earnings last year. Global oil demand growth at about 1.8 million barrels per day was among the strongest seen in the last 5 years. Reliance delivered yet another stellar performance, delivering an EBIT growth of 49.1% year-on-year in a period of continuing volatility. Our realized margins were amongst the highest globally. We now have a track record of over 15 years of operating this business with the highest standards of safety and delivering amongst the best returns on capital. Our refinery business is truly global. We export to every major market in the world. We continue to be a major supplier to every large retailer and trader in the world. No matter how you travel globally, by car, train, or plane, you would probably consume fuels from our Jamnagar refinery. Our aviation fuel stations are present at 25 airports across India, and these fuel an aircraft every 4 minutes on an average every day. We are now making a large investment to ensure that our refinery complex has amongst the lowest costs of energy globally. We are taking petroleum coke and converting it to syngas in a highly complex, high pressure and high temperature process. It is one of the largest clean coal initiatives in the world. We will add sixfold, 600% value to petroleum coke, making this investment one of the most profitable. These gases will be a source of fuel for the refinery complex as well as feedstock for petrochemicals. This is the largest project ever executed globally on this scale and dimension. We are now close to completing the construction of this mammoth project and target it to be mechanically complete in the first half of next year. Dear share owners, let me now come to the performance and plans of our exploration and production business. We are proud of our partnership with BP in the domestic portfolio. Our KGD6 block has produced 2.6 TCF of gas and 29 million barrels of crude oil since commencement of output. We are making our best efforts to sustain production from this complex deep water basin. We are also evaluating, along with our partner BP, development plans to monetize the remaining resources of 4 to 5 TCF from this block in the framework of the new gas pricing policy. Reliance has developed CBM blocks in Madhya Pradesh along with a 300-kilometer pipeline to transport gas to customers. This development is at an advanced stage and of completion, and production is expected to commence in this current financial year in the next few months. Our portfolio investments in shale gas businesses are in capital preservation mode in this environment of low commodity prices. Our joint ventures are in the best basins and have resources of about 6 TCF. We have divested our midstream interests for over 1 billion in the past year and will look for further monetization opportunities. The consumer business. The Indian consumer sector has been undergoing a transformational change based on a combination of factors, demographics, aspirations to have the best products and services that are on par with the world, increase in discretionary spending, fast adoption of technology, and India's economic growth. At Reliance, we have always believed in building India-focused, global-scale, next-generation businesses. The consumer business is one of the few opportunities for building businesses of scale. Media and entertainment. Let me now talk about our media and entertainment business. This business spans television channels and digital media properties. We are aggressively investing in this space to sustain and grow our leadership in partnership with global leaders such as CNBC, CNN, Viacom, Forbes, and A+E. Today, we own the highest number of channels, 58 spanning news, entertainment, including 11 channels that cater to Indian audiences in international market. Our channels collectively reach out to more than 500 million viewers every month. That is nearly 2 out of every 5 Indians. Network 18